Hey guys, what's up? You're watching Quantum Jumper. In this video, we are going to see that how we can edit a mobile version of video editing on DaVinci Resolve. So this time I'm going to use DaVinci Resolve. It's a studio version, by the way, and I have a MixKit free video background music, and this is the voiceover that I've done separately with my computer in audio, and this is the video sample that I have transferred from my phone to computer, and I'm going to mix this all together and create a mobile tutorial video inside DaVinci Resolve Studio. So let's jump onto the DaVinci Resolve and launch the program. This is going to look like this. So it's a Studio 18.6 version. That's cool. Alright, so here we go. We can just click on Untitled Project, or we can also create a project. So we're just going to create a project. I'm going to title it How to or a VPN Manual. Hit enter, and this is the first program that you are going to see. It's a cut page. We are going to see the edit page, everything, but initially we are going to face a cut page. So we are going to import all of the footages here. Just Control I and you will see this. So let's go to text shop and select everything, open. Here we go. Alright, we have to also import one more thing. So Control I and the background image. Let's go to Chrome download, and this is the background image here. Alright, this is not what I'm looking here. Let's go to download and Gravity Kit. No, this is not the what I'm looking at. Where is that? I don't know. It's lost. So what we'll do is just go to Chrome and go to my drive and go to my mobile frame, and I'm quickly going to see this is the wallpaper that I'm looking at. So just download it, and last I'm going to save it in my download folder. There we go, it's done. Now return to Resolve, Control I to import the file. Let's go to download, and this is the Benjamin. Here we go. Now first step, we are going to add this wallpaper on my timeline here, just like this. Okay, so this is the mini window and this is the complete window here. Alright, let's jump onto the edit section to clearly teach you what's happening here. Now we are on the edit page. So the first step, we're just going to select this and just import the footage here. No, this is footage, and okay, it's getting slow. You have to also import the alright, so this is getting slow here. It's facing the lag issue. Maybe it's a CPU throttling or bottleneck, whatever in the background. But this is Resolve, so it's going to take a lot of processing power. In fact, I'm using the Resolve Studio. Still, it's creating problem. You can use CapCut to bypass this problem. I'm gonna go to Task Manager and kill this program and launch it again. Search for Resolve, launch it now. Studio version. Let's go into VPN project again, and we are going to see everything. Just go to edit directly. Now we are on the edit. I'm going to import my recording thing here and click on link clips to unlink and delete the audio because we really don't need it, or we're just going to keep it as it is because we just have to match. Let's import our audio file here. Alright, and I think that's done, and this is the final video background music. Just control and hold, just hold alt key from your keyboard and slide from your mouse to duplicate it. Okay, like this, and I'm gonna do this like this. Alright, that's fine. Now I'm going to lower the volume of the background music to -6, also with the same -6, and I'm going to stretch out this background image to the longer. Okay, also I'm going to resize or crop this background, crop left, crop top, crop bottom. If I able to select this, I can be able to crop. Let's play the video here. We don't see any playing. Why? What's happening? Recording things.
Hey guys, in this short video I'm going to teach you
It's getting some glitch.
and also don't have to face any premium option because everything.
Let's go to the video again. Maybe we have a problem facing of this thing. Alright, so I'm not going to use this program called DaVinci Resolve. In fact, I'm just going to use a different one, and this time I will be using ClipChamp. Okay, ClipChamp, Microsoft ClipChamp. You can also use CapCut. CapCut is really good. But let's get started with the ClipChamp. We are going to see create a new video. This thing also seems slow. Nothing fancy. We have to import the files. So let's import the background. Click import, go to desktop, import everything. Alright, so it's preparing, by the way. I think it's uploading the file, I guess. Okay, this is not, surprisingly not cool. Okay, I really don't like this. So everything is importing. How to create VPN, record everything, Mixkit is also preparing. So I've decided to not use this program just because it's keep uploading in the background.
Hey guys, in this short.
So what we do now, we are just going to use how to create VPN. First, we just click on this plus icon to add this. Also, we are stretching stretch this to make it at the middle. And this is the voiceover. No. Let's delete the voiceover again. And music effects, let's go and drop the file here. Right. Okay, so it's taking a longer time because it's uploading the file here. That makes me to not use ClipChamp forever, and I'm looking for ways to uninstall this. Really, I'm not liking it. ClipChamp and how we can be able to uninstall. and install clipchamp because I don't like it. If I want to use clipchamp, I'll use web version clipchamp, no program related to clipchamp. Okay, it's facing a difficulty, a problem. Let's go to CapCut because this is the program which is under on my computer. I can do it. I can edit this everything with CapCut. Okay, so let's go to new program. Let's import everything. Let's import again. Go to here. Okay, so we imported everything. The first step, I'm just going to import the background and then we're just going to import this one as well. Alright, we are lowering the first, we just increase the background music. By the way, this is not 16:9 ratio. To make it 16:9, we have to make some struggles. Let's go to 16:9 ratio and crop the image. Alright, now it's fine. I think cool. Everything looks cool. We are also going to use a voiceover. Okay, so voiceover is now added. We're also going to use Mixkit. Mixkit is also added. To Mixkit, I'll Mixkit audio. We are going to load down to 7. Now we're just going to test it out with playing.
Hey guys. 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 In the short. Hey guys. In the short video.
Okay, so the audio matched. Now I'm gonna cancel the audio of the first and fit. Zoom to fit everything all together, and like this. Let's play everything from the scratch and see.
Hey guys, in this short video, I'm going to teach you how you can create your own version of VPN without installing any third-party application. So with this, you don't gonna see any ads and also don't have to face any premium option because everything is free. So the first thing, go to your Android. I'm using Realme, and as you can see, it's my system Android or system VPN. Just go to setting and find connection and setting. Just find VPN. You see, I have already a Gecko VPN. This is the application and this is the VPN that I already made. So what I'll do, I just try to delete this, remove this VPN, and this gone. Now you have to click on plus icon and put up a name. So the VPN that we are going to create is a Japan server. So say Japan VPN. Go to VPN type and select L2TPIPsec PSK and go to IPsec pre-shade key. Hit VPN small letter VPN. Check it out. It's a VPN now. And under forwarding routes, you have to change last 8 to 0. To do that, say 0.0.0.0/0, and that's it. Your VPN connection is now done, and you can now use this as your VPN connection. So finally you have to put a server address. To do that, just go to Chrome and search for VPN Gate. It's a desktop website, so you have to a little bit zoom, and this is the Japan address. As you can see, it's open source, by the way, and it's free for everybody, and it's also very fast. So just click and copy, come to server address and paste the server address, and finally hit enter. And when you connect, it will ask username password. Just to say VPN, and also in the password VPN. Okay, just save account info and connect. In a matter of seconds, you will see that Japan VPN will be got connected, and there we go. You also see the signal of VPN in your status bar here. Now I can browse the web whatever you want. You can see the blocked website is going to be open. This is Japan VPN, and your main your internet or the address is going to be masked. So thank you for watching this video. See you, apply this, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, so that's it, guys. In this way you can be able to create the mobile tutor videos using CapCut. You can also do this with Android. Now we are going to export this. We are using the video export. We can simply put up a name. So how to maybe we can call it okay, it's getting slow. How to create VPN manually without installing third-party app. Okay, I think it's not written here. Okay, so title is done. We are simply solving, checking out everything. Just go here and we are just done with it, and exporting is taking a very less time to export. In a matter of seconds it will be ready. Now in my next video I'm going to show you how you can crop an image in 60:9 ratio so that you don't have to crop it again and again. See you in the next video.